Okay, I can't explain something. I have this push-pull oscillator right here. It is push-pulling and it's oscillating, but something weird happens and the current consumption goes way up. Let me demonstrate. I'm cranking up the variac. You can see 100 milliamperes. You can see that there is oscillation, right? Very nice oscillation on the scope screen. It's far away, so it's a bit distorted. Crank it up further. See, the current consumption goes up. And then something weird happens, and you see, now we have like 28 amperes, which doesn't make any sense. The cathode wires are not even glowing, which they should be. They should be glowing and popping at that current. I have an IF bypass cap on my current meter. There's this big capacity on the supply rail, so that should shunt any RF off. So I don't know what happens. Is it oscillating with the capacitance of the power supply? That doesn't make any sense. Because you can see on the scope screen that frequency was still high. This oscillates at about 27 megahertz, somewhere there. Doesn't make sense. I don't know. Also don't know why the current consumption is going up after just a small while. Even with the big current consumption, I can't light up a small neon bulb for some reason. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I have this small neon bulb, and I put it near here, even when the current consumption is normal. I'll demonstrate. Putting it at 180 volts in, which doubled. You can see the neon doesn't do anything, even though it's clearly oscillating. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, even here, something weird is happening. Yeah, see? It's drawing like 28 amperes and still nothing. The fuse was glowing. I don't know what was going on. It's clearly oscillating. So, and I looked at the cathode wires of both of these tubes. They're still attached. And with just one tube, it wouldn't oscillate. So that's the weird thing. I don't know what's going on. So this video is a request for help. This is the schematic. This is schematic right here. And you can forget this part. This capacitor I changed to 20 picofarads roughly. 20 picofarads, and this resistor has been changed to a 10k resistor, roughly 10k. So I don't know what's really going on here. That choke here is about 1 microhenry and just some wire left over, and I didn't want to waste it, so I coiled it up. I don't know if that is the problem. Shouldn't be the problem. I mean, how would it oscillate? I don't really get it. This is schematic again. So yeah, I changed. This fuse is actually a 0.5 amp fuse. So I think my current meter is going bananas because I doubt that the current consumption is actually that high, because this is a 0.5 amp fuse, and I doubt it would only start glowing at 28 amps. Doesn't make sense to me. I saw this current consumption go as high as like 35 amps, I think. Yeah, that doesn't make sense at all. And this cathode wire would start fusing at way below 28 amps. These tubes have a built-in fuse for the because they were intended for for horizontal of a television. And if something was to go wrong in the circuitry, these tubes would overconduct and kill the flyback, and maybe some other parts of the circuitry, the flyback and possibly even the deflection yoke. So they have built-in fuses because a tube is replaceable, but finding a correct flyback is a whole other deal for the repair shop. But now these fuses are more of a hindrance. I actually killed 2 tubes due to the fuse yesterday on the HF VDTC build. It's really weird and I can't explain it. Well, anyway, bye.